Hello everyone, this is OM Prakash and welcome to second part of data handling. Dear students, in previous parts you have learned already organizing data. In this part we will discuss grouping data. Dear students, what is that grouping data and why it is required? Dear students, in organizing data we will having less data, and in grouping data when we have number of data, more data we have, then suppose one examination has been conducted and in examination 25 students appeared and in that a score was there. A score is like that. So for the student who has scored 5 marks, the student who has scored 6 marks, when we will make a table, we will organize that will be, you can say that will be lengthy for us. So for that we will make a group 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 22, 30, 32, 40 and 40 to 50. That grouping we have done, and it has become now easy for us to represent data in that grouping data. Distance, you can see that credit marks as we have already used in organizing data, then frequency also we have already used in organizing data. So 0 to 10. Now the concept here you can see that 0 to 10, 10 to 20. So in which group that 10 you will keep? In which group we will keep that 10? We will keep in 10 to 20. Distance we will keep in 10 to 20. Now about 10 to 20 and 20 to 30. 20 in which group we will keep? In 20 to 30 students. Okay, so that you have to keep in mind, because some students may may misunderstand that. So 0 to 10 we have to find out that how many students are there, means what is the frequency of this 0 to 10 students who has scored, means the marks which has scored 10, that how many students are there? Those who have scored the marks between 0 to 10. So we will see that 1, 2 and 3. 3 students are there, dear students, who has scored marks between 0 to 10. So I have written here 3 telemarks 1 to 3. Similarly for 10 to 20 we have miscalculated and got 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 cross, which will say that it is 5. For 20 to 30 we have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 cross 5 and 6, 7, 8. Similarly for 30 to 40 we will count and we will write. For 40 to 50 we will count and we will write. This is frequency. Actually again I will define that frequency gives the number of times a particular entry that occurs. This frequency, that frequency gives the number of times a particular entry that occurs. Then now this is the next is what is class interval. This is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. These are this is class interval. These are class interval. Okay, in class interval 10 to 20, 10 is lower class limit and 20 is upper class limit. This is in 30 to 40, 30 is lower class limit and 40 is upper class limit. Okay, our new topic in this one actually width or size. What is that width or size? Dear students, if you see the difference between upper class limit and lower class limit is known as width or size. Difference between upper class limit and lower class limit is known as width or size. Now the next topic students we have histogram. It looks like bar graph only. We have used bars also, but few things different from bar graph. What? We don't have gap here. We don't have gap here. And for the same table distance, you can see here, for the same table, this histogram has been drawn. You can see that marks of the student and number of students. So marks 0 to 10 students, we have 3 number of students. 10 to 20, we have 5 students. 20 to 30, we have 8 students as per this table, and 30 to 40, 7, and 40 to 50, 2 students. So that representation where we don't have any gap between two bars, that is known as histogram. Means the representation like this is known as histogram. One more you can see, another example. Suppose in a small school where there are some number of teachers and their ages. We have to give some information about that. So number of teachers and ages in years. So 20 to 30 teachers whose age is 20 to 30. Number of teachers 3. 30 to 40 2. 40 to 50 4, and 50 to 60 1 distance. Okay, and this zigzag line, you can see zigzag line or zag line, 0 to 20 is there in between, and that jag line is also known as broken line distance. Okay, distance. So in this part up to here only. Again we will meet in the next part. Thank you.
Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.